Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, you have not subscribed, you know you've not subscribed, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. I want you to actually become my subscriber by just clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So we will be looking at AUD for this week. So this is kind of like a bullish move. We predicted this kind of like a movement last week if you were following this channel consistently. One of the reasons was that USD, or our DXY as we may say, was literally going to give us a correction which was bearish. So we expect every other pairs to our USD should go, kind of give us like a bullish move. So AUD USD was one of those pairs that actually gave us a bullish move. Now, in this bullish move over, well, let's take a look at this movement. So when you take a look at this AUD USD, you'll see kind of like a drop and a correction, right? You see another drop again, and now a correction is playing out. Is this correction over? Well, personally, I don't think it is over. I know there are a lot of traders that will be saying that, okay, this week AUD USD will be dropping. I'm not arguing with that fact or something like that, but we still have more bullish move to be made before we actually get that drop. Especially if you are, I mean, if you are a professional trader, when you take a trade, what you would want to do is look at the technical aspect of it. One, you also look at the fundamental aspect of it. What news will be coming out, and when will that news be coming out? What movement will that news actually move to? But with everything that I've analyzed, with what I've watched out for, I still see a AUD USD going bullish. Other pairs to our USD will fall, no doubt about that. You might be seeing a fall on Euro to USD. You can be seeing a fall on any other USD pairs. You might be seeing a USD rising up, and any other pairs should actually fall. But on this AUD USD, I'm seeing a bullish move, right? We would actually make good amount of a bullish move before AUD USD will actually think of falling. So let's go to the daily time frame. So I think this correction will actually play out to come and tap this 20 period simple moving average. So I'm expecting this movement here. AUD should actually go bullish. I know you might be surprised, but yes, when you take a look at everything, every aspect, you see that this AUD the bullish move is near its over. At least we would want to see it tap our 20 period simple moving average. So this red here is actually the 10 period simple moving average. This green here you can see is the 20 period simple moving average. So yes, price is very much likely to tap the 20 period simple moving average before you start getting dropped. So if you want to sell immediately, I would advise you to actually think twice. Be very, very careful. Think twice. I'll say it again before you say. If you want to sell, go ahead and sell you Euro USD. Go ahead and sell other USD pairs. But AUD USD is kind of like a kind of a bit of a different move. We very much play out. Like I said, a movement upward is very much likely to tap our 20 period simple moving average before we start getting that drop. Now on this my 4-hour time frame, I mean, when you take a look at this, you see that price will still push up. So I'm still on this up movement first. When this AUD USD can go bullish, then I can now start expecting a drop on AUD USD. So those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link to my in the comment section. Check the comment section, you will see a link to the Patreon channel. Become one of my Patreon subscriber. And also in that channel comment section, I'm also going to put out a trade that we actually took last week, link to the trade we took last week, so you can go ahead and watch it to confirm, right? Once you also check my channel, check the playlist, you will see some of the couple of trades we actually had in the past, right? I can tell you that more than 80% of those, 85% of those trades we actually got to our target. So actually, we're actually correct. Yes, we can't be 100% correct, but I can show you that we are more than 70% correct, especially when we are giving out a trade on our Patreon channel. Because what I intend to do is put out a probability trade. I trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. It is exactly what I'll be putting out in that channel. So if in case you are interested, sign up, become one of my Patreon subscriber. You'll be able to get trade, and I'm going to be giving trade, explaining why we are taking such trade, the technical aspect of it, what we should be watching. So if you are interested, with just 20 USD, give it a try for just a month. If after a month you are comfortable with our service, you can go ahead and renew your subscription. If you are not, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, a month trial is what you should actually give it. So check the comment section, by the way.